Hey guys, here's another quick video this morning. I figured I'd just look at the indices here. This looks like it could be a really interesting week. But no matter what the charts do, I think this market is dependent on what Nvidia comes out with later this week, whether the market sells their good news or rallies it again. This is an ugly looking candle here on the Dow. We've got all the indicators pretty overbought here after this near vertical rally. If we look at the SPY too, I'd say we're probably looking at a pullback this week. I mean, we started today, but I could see us losing maybe 10 to 15 points in the next couple of days into NVIDIA's report. So just a quick video on the chart. Again, keep in mind, this is the summer doldrums right before Labor Day weekend. Volume typically dries up quite a bit, and action can be up and down really, really quickly on small volume. But the indices right now do not look that great.